Good morning, grade 12 students. We will be discussing a short story for today. The story of the dead stars. Alfredo Salazar is a 30-year-old lawyer who has been engaged to Esperanza for several years. Esperanza is a woman of virtue and loyalty, embodying the qualities that society expects in a wife. Although Alfredo has been committed to her for a long time, he begins to feel restless and uncertain about his feelings. One day, Alfredo meets Julia Salas, a charming and lively woman who is visiting her brother in law in town. Julia's personality and warmth attract Alfredo, and they begin to spend time together. As Alfredo's interactions with Julia increase, he finds himself questioning his engagement to Esperanza. He becomes confused, wondering if he truly loves Esperanza or if he has been living under the illusion of love. Despite his growing feelings for Julia, Alfredo does not act on them. He knows that breaking off his engagement would be against societal norms and would cause pain to both women. In the end, Alfredo chooses to marry Esperanza, suppressing his emotions for Julia. Years later, after his marriage, Alfredo has the opportunity to visit Julia again. He finds that the intense feelings he once had for her faded, for her have faded, much like the light from a dead star. He realizes that his love for Julia was an illusion, a passing infatuation that no longer holds power over him. The story ends with Alfredo contemplating the choices he made and the reality that the passion he once felt was vanished. He comes to understand that, like a dead star whose light continues to shine long after it was burned out, his feelings for Julia were based on something that no longer exists. Paz Marquez Benitez, the writer of the story Dead Stars, she was a Filipino short story writer, educator, and editor, best known for her work Dead Stars. She was born on March 3, 1894 in Lucena, Quezon, Philippines, and was one of the first female writers in English in the country. Marquez Benitez was a trailblazer in Philippine literature, paving the way for many other Filipino writers. Autobiography. Paz Marquez Benitez was born into a prominent family and received an education at the University of the Philippines, where she was part of the first generation of students to study English. She became a professor of English at the same time in the same university and was instrumental in mentoring and inspiring future generations of Filipino writers. Throughout her life, she was deeply involved in education and literature, advocating for the development of Filipino writing in English. Books written include Dead Stars, a short story that is considered first modern Filipino short story in English. It explores themes of love, duty, and the passage of time. Characters: Alfredo Salazar, the protagonist, a man in his 30s who is engaged to Esperanza but develops feelings for another woman, Julia Salas. Esperanza, Alfredo's fiancée, who represents tradition, stability, and loyalty. Julia Salas, the woman Alfredo falls in love with, representing a fleeting, passionate, but ultimately unfulfilled desire. And lastly, Carmen, Alfredo's sister, who provides insight into the expectations of society and family. So that's it about for today, the story of the dead stars. Thank you very much, grade 12 students.